How to download Zoom app in laptop. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser as you cannot download Zoom app directly from your app store on your Mac. I will download Zoom on my Mac, so in order to download it, tap on the search bar and search for download Zoom Mac. You can change the command depending on your version of laptop or PC. So, in the interface that you will be led to, you will see various versions of download available for Mac or Windows, etc. Simply tap on your version of PC or laptop and you will then see the option for download. So tap on the download option you see there and wait for the download to complete. And once the download is completed, go ahead and open the downloads folder on your Mac and you will see the Zoom downloaded file. Tap on it in order to launch the application and simply further tap on the continue button you see there and then select the location and then tap on continue again. Further tap on install and you will be required to enter your Mac password in order to confirm. So enter your password and then tap on the install software button you see there and then go ahead and tap on install. With this, the installation process will begin, so wait for the process to complete, and once the installation is complete, Zoom will be successfully downloaded on your Mac. So this was about how you can download Zoom on PC, laptop, or Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.